Bus, as a public transport means, plays a vital role in helping the socially disadvantaged, alleviating traffic congestion, and conserving natural resources. Until 2018, there are nearly 65,000 local buses used for public transportation in the United States, and the number is still growing. But long waiting time and impaired service provision keep causing negative feelings among passengers that discourage them from using this public transportation. To solve this problem, we present our product Groove, an interactive music composing bus stop supported by ground projecting and motion sensing camera. Groove identifies users' foot motions and allows them to claim various sound effects which can be added to background music played inside the station. The main screen will show different visual scenes based on selected background music. Here we use the traditional Chinese culture scene as an example. The side screen will display real-time bus information using the same visual expression as the main screen to keep the user informed during the process. The ground projection system generates call-to-attention buttons to serve as triggers of sound effects and feedback providers of valid interactions. A unique sound effect will be claimed when the user steps onto an initial CTA button for 5 seconds, and new buttons will appear to encourage the user to interact with the design. Users can tap the button on the ground to add their sound effects to the provided background music and collaborate with others to compose a unique and harmonious music piece. Visual feedback on the main screen will appear when users tap to add a sound effect and lasts only for the time when the sound effect is still in play. When the bus is coming, a mist will cover the main screen to display an arrival reminder. Groove has a series of light and relaxing background music. Each background piece lasts about 2 minutes to encourage more people to participate. Taking the light changing from daytime to night into consideration, we also designed night mode visual access to improve text readability and visual comfort. Groove changes the way of waiting for the bus and turns the boring blank into a fun and engaging experience through delightful interaction and natural collaboration.